On mandatory fields, the add and update UID is the item UID on the screen you have set it up for, in this case business partner, that's actually triggering the check for mandatory fields. So in this case it's set to item 1, which is the default, and that means that on business partner master data where I set it on is the add button, if you can see in the lower left corner, is item equals 1. So why have this configuration at all? That's because on certain windows SAP have messed up a bit and some items are not item 1 for the add. So in this case, for example, on employee master data, you can see that's actually item 2 instead of item 1. In the most common cases like this and a lot of windows in the service module, we have actually taken care of that. So if you create mandatory fields on employee master data, it will actually default to item 2. But we cannot be guaranteeing that every single window you set this up will have either 1 or 2 or one of these known systems. So if you come across a mandatory fields configuration that simply doesn't work because every time you press the add button, nothing happens, check the add button, see if it's the correct item UID. If it's not, for example, if you come across a window where the add and update UID is 20 instead, you put in 20 and then you have it up and running. It's especially important for add-on windows where mandatory fields also works. There often other people have made another add or update button with a special UID, and you need to put it in for us in order to know what to trigger.